Good morning, citizens. Enjoy the tranquility of the waterways and the dawn chorus. The hour is 0500. All sectors are green. Begin your day with purpose. Peace descends upon the land, held within.
Good morning, sir. It's 7 a.m. Vitals are optimal and the weather is clear. Your schedule is synchronized.
All right, thank you. Looks like a good day.
Based on your biometric data, this meal provides optimal nutrition. Breakfast preparation is complete.
The Urban Explorer design is selected. Adaptive Weave will now calibrate for optimal comfort and style in the current climate.
Good morning. Today is April 23rd, 2070. Your schedule includes 3 meetings, beginning at 9 a.m. As you can see on the display, we'll be approaching the river valley in about 5 minutes. All systems nominal. The synchronized transport network is operating at full capacity. Thank you for traveling sustainably.
Did you see the new aerodynamic model for the boards?
Yeah, but I'm just excited for lunch at the Sky Gardens.
I'll race you there.
Welcome to the City of Unity, where tranquility meets innovation. Welcome to the emissions-free zone. Please enjoy the rooftop gardens and utilize the Sky Transit network for efficient travel. Biometric scan complete. Welcome to the Neo Viridian Tower. Please proceed.
As you can see, the holographic model shows a 15% increase in efficiency.
Excellent work. Send the data to the main server.
Consider optimizing the algorithm with the tertiary dataset for enhanced visualization.
As the predictive model shows, the Q3 projections are robust.
Agreed. The zonal deployment scales efficiently.
What about the energy consumption metrics here?
I could stay out here all afternoon.
Me too. It is the perfect escape from the data streams.
If we reroute the energy conduits through the plant walls, the passive cooling increases significantly.
The finest bio-harvested greens in the sector, guaranteed fresh.
They look perfect. I'll take 2.
As you can see on the display, the regeneration therapy has been successful. All internal markers are stable and within the healthy range for your age.
If we adjust the parameters here, the hologram shows a 20% efficiency gain.
That aligns with the mentor's projections from yesterday. Observe how the Renaissance engineers applied these principles.
It feels so real. Can we zoom in on the gears?
Initiating close-up sequence now.
This luminescent cape enhances your aura. Would you like to visualize the complete ensemble? By 2070, we have redefined agriculture. This vertical farm provides
power transfer is stabilized. Look at the resonance cascades.
The year is 2070. Our symbiotic architecture ensures humanity's progress is one with nature.
Welcome back to the Apex Games. The pulse sensors are maxed out as the orbital Odins make their move.
Look, it responded to the pulse.
Incredible, isn't it? This changes everything.
Look at how the pods reflect on the water.
It's stunning every time.
Look at how the light hits the biogardens over there.
Incredible. The city looks alive.
Mommy, you're home! We missed you!
Oh, my loves. I missed you too.
Where should we go now?
Let's check out the new Zero-G Court.
Everything is glowing tonight. It feels like home.
It is currently 2020-70. The air quality index is optimal. Welcome to the future, where the lights ignite the sky. We are the sound, the reason.
Are you comfortable, sweetie?
Yeah, this is perfect.
I love this part of the movie.
The future is here.
Look at the chromatic distortion on the far rim. It is absolutely stunning.
It is incredible. The data readings are off the charts.